welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Talia and I am here with another video. And in this video, as you can see, I have a different hairstyle. I don't have my big hair out because I usually, for the past year, I've been doing this little twist. And the reason why I've been doing this little twist on my hair, as you can see, is because I'm going through my hair growth journey. And I've been wanting to grow my hair out. And when I tell you, this hairstyle right here will have your hair growing. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my hair. And I actually also use like oils. I just go in the kitchen and mix a bunch of oils. In this little bottle right here, I bought the wild growth oil like a long time ago. But I finished that bottle and then I decided to like make my own oils. Like in this bottle right here, I have olive oil, flaxseed oil, I have peppermint oil. This is what I've been doing to grow my hair. This is the hairstyle that I will say that will grow your hair. Because as you can see, my hair can get pretty thick. Like I told you, I like to detangle my hair with my hands. I feel like ever since I started doing that, I don't lose as much hair. I don't know how to pronounce it. The main, I think that's the name of it. So just taking a little bit. And I might add as I go, like section by section, because I like my sections to be fully moisturized, even though like I keep this twist. Okay, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. Before I used to do it like once a week, but it was just too much for me, so I was like, I'm not doing that. So I went from doing it once a week to every 2 weeks. So I like to keep my hair super moisturized for 2 weeks, but I do like to refresh my twist like throughout the week. Like I just get water, and I just press the water like onto the hair so it can be moisturized. That can help the hair grow. And just put on some of this grease or whatever, Vaseline grease it says super grow. It's supposed to like grow your hair, so I like to put some of it on my scalp and on my ends, to like, I don't know, that's how I do it. The top of my hair to be like a little bit flat so it can look neat. That's why I do it. So after I feel like I've braided enough, I like to then go and twist. If you want to add more product, you can. If you feel like your hair might need more product, but if not, you're good. Okay, so I finished this side and this side is still wet. That's why it's like longer than this side. And it's so crazy how short, like once my hair is dry, it just shrinks and shrinks and shrinks. But this side is still wet because I did this one like last night. What I'm going to do is use the oil that I told you guys that I mixed. I think I have olive oil, flaxseed oil, peppermint oil in it. So I'm gonna put it on my scalp. I really like to do this twist because it's easy for me to get out the house. You know, if I have to be somewhere, I don't have to be thinking about like, oh my gosh, like how I'm gonna do my hair today, you know, all that stuff. Like, it's just like, you know, my hair is pretty when it's like, if it's big and puffy or whatever, you know, but like doing that wash and go, like my hair don't be washing and going a lot of the times. It's not like a wash and go for me a lot of the times, you know. It takes time, and then you have to wait until it dries and all that stuff. So for the past year, I've decided to actually only do wash and goes if I have to go somewhere, you know, like if I have to go to like a birthday party, if I have to go to a dinner, going out with my friends, doing something special. That's the only time I told myself, okay, I am going to sacrifice, I would say, like looking cute or whatever, because a lot of people say like, oh my god, your hair is so pretty, you should wear it like that more often. But I'm like, hey, you know, thank you, but I'm trying to grow my hair, so I'm trying to sacrifice like me looking fabulous. But I still feel I like the hairstyle. I get compliments as well, like, you know, when I wear my hair like this. So it is what it is. Seeing the benefits of my hair, like it is not dry like it used to be, you know. Yeah, I've been natural since 2011 because I went natural, but like you being natural and growing your hair, I've realized they are two different things, you know what I'm saying? Just because you went natural doesn't mean your hair gonna grow like crazy, because you can be natural but your hair can be damaged. And that's how I feel like my hair was for so long, especially after my pregnancy. When I had my baby, I was going through this like I'm just gonna do me or whatever, and I damaged my hair because I bleached my hair at home. And I'm just gonna show you how I got, like, it is just crazy. In my last video, I spoke about how I use MSM. It's like a sulfur supplement. It's like, I don't know if you ever seen like Cardi B talking about like her onion juice on her hair. You know, onions got sulfur. This thing right here is like the pure amount. I don't know, like, I just drink it. I drink it, you know. But if you don't want to drink it because there's like side effects in it, like you have to drink a lot of water and vitamin C so you don't get like headaches or like vivid dreams, which some people complain about. But I mean, I'm like kind of used to it, so I'm gonna show you how small the things are, like this, as you can see. So I put 3 scoops inside a water bottle. Like I usually like drink it every single day. I put like 3 scoops of that, and you can go to like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, I don't know, and find the little vitamin C pocket, like packages or whatever thing is that you can just put like in the water, and you know, you should be fine. That's how I drink mine. Some people drink it with juice or anything they want to drink it. I mean, it's just up to you. Since I did my research, I heard that it's better if you take it with like vitamin C. So, you know, even if you want to take it with some juice and take some vitamin C liquid or vitamin C, I don't know, gummies or whatever you want to do, you can do. But I've also put this MSM inside like my oils or anything that's gonna touch my scalp. Like I put it inside like let's say if I'm gonna do some rice water, you know, sometimes I do like rice water, I put MSM inside the rice water. If my shampoos, I put MSM inside the shampoos, like, but they say like, you know, MSM do not mix with oil, but I still do it. I don't care, just mix it and it should be fine. That's how I'm growing my hair, honey. And when I tell you my hair has been growing, you know, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures and videos of how my hair was. It's growing. That's all I know. And I believe it's because I'm wearing this hairstyle, you know. And people might ask me like, what products do you use? Well, this, that. Like, let me tell you, right now I've been using this Dollar Tree product called PS Clean Beauty, and it's working for me. So I like, right now I'm like, is it the products, is it the techniques, like is it me training my hair to absorb like the moisture of like all the products that I put inside? I don't really know what it is, but I would say, me personally, I think it's the technique. You know what I'm saying? I think it's like me doing protective styles, moisturizing my hair, and put in an oil after I moisturize my hair to like seal that moisture in. I think that's working, you know. Oh, and another thing, guys. Okay, so since I've been using MSM, you see this now? Well, don't look too deep into them because I did them myself, and you know I'm not left-handed, so the right hand looks like it was, I don't know, it looks weird, but I don't know, you can see. I'm gonna just show you this hand because I think I didn't do that bad, but I'm gonna just show you because it's whatever, like, you feel me? So this, you know, this how long, when I tell you this MSM thing, honey, it got me looking, because my nails, they will grow, right? But they will like break right after. But I'm like, this my real nails? And I'm telling you, it's that MSM, and you know, drinking that water. And when I tell you, like, you might think like, oh my gosh, so how long it took you? Like, how long it took you to do this? How long it took you? It don't matter how long it took somebody, just do it. Because once you like worrying about like, oh, how long it took her to grow her hair, or how long it took her to grow her nails, or how long it took her to do this, like I used to be that person going on YouTube and asking myself, I'm not gonna do that because that takes so long. The time gonna go by anyway, so you either do it or you don't do it. So if you don't do it, the time will go by, and if you do it, the time will still go by, and you're gonna get the results. So if you don't do it and the time will go by, my hair gonna get long because I'ma just do it. And if anybody over here gonna like, you know what, I'ma just go ahead and do it, do my protective styles, I'ma do that, you know, drink this MSM. But disclaimer, I'm not telling you to drink it, I'm just telling you, you know, like, that's what I do. So if you want to, talk to your doctor and say, hey, can I drink this? Because I saw this girl drinking it, you know, they were like, yeah, whatever, you can drink it. But talk to them because I'm not a doctor, you know. But girl, like, I would say, give yourself like 1 year, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like you doing the same thing over and over and it's not working. Do something different this year, you know, even though it's like the middle of the year, kind of. It don't matter if you start now. If you, I'm not gonna say start tomorrow because there's no, you gotta start now. You know, get on your stuff, because I'm not cursing over here, and like, get yourself together and say, you know what, I'm gonna grow my hair, I'm gonna grow my nails, my lashes, you know, anything like that you want to do, just go ahead and do it. Don't worry about like if it's gonna take too long or not. It do not matter if it's gonna take a year, 2 weeks, 6 months. Just go ahead and do it because the time will go by anyway. So that's something that we cannot control, is time. But what you can control is what you do with that time. So with that being said, honey, I think this is it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Leave any comments. I don't know, like, just comment whatever. Just try to interact with me, girl, like, because I'm trying out here with this YouTube stuff. But you know, I mean, if you wanted to comment, you can comment. I'm not forcing you to come. No, I'm not forcing you. But if you want to, you know, see more videos or like me trying other hair products, I mean, just let me know. If you want me to show you, I'll probably, like, the next video, I'll probably show how I style my hair, because this hairstyle can last me for 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna show you how I style my hair in the next video, like different ways that I wear my hair, so it don't be boring during this time, especially if you're trying to grow your hair and look pretty. Especially also, you can like buy some like hair extensions and add hair to it, so it can look like more like summer ready, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I just want to say bye bye. I feel like I'm talking too much, so thank you so much for watching.